So our first question is, in photoelectric effect, the work function of a metal is 3.5 electron volt. The emitted electron can be stored by applying a potential of 1.2 electron volt. There is a negative sign, 1.2 electron volt. Then there is a 4 option. So we have to find out the emitted electron of. So by using photoelectric equation, that is h nu equals to h nu naught plus kinetic energy. H nu equal to h nu naught plus kinetic energy. So in the question we have given work function W naught equals to 3.5 electron volt, and the stopping potential, the value of stopping potential is that is represented by Vs is minus 1.2 electron volt. So stopping potential is also equals to kinetic energy. So we can write here it is equal to kinetic energy, that is half mv square. So in this question we will apply the stopping potential in opposite to the current. So this negative sign represent that stopping potential is applied in reverse direction of current. So in here we will take the magnitude. So half mv square equals to magnitude of minus 1.2 electron volt, that is 1.2 electron volt. So from the above equation, we know S nu equal to S nu naught plus potential energy, kinetic potential energy. So this can be also written as work function plus half mv square, and this half mv square is also can be represented by a stopping potential. So putting the value of work function is 3.5 electron volt, and here we will put the value of stopping potential, only magnitude value will take 1.2 electron volt. So it will come 4.7 electron volt. So S nu is equals to 4.7 electron volt. So this is the value of energy of incident photon. 4.7 electron volt. So from here we will go for option. So the first option is correct. Option A is correct. So the energy of incident photon is 4.7 electron volt. And second one is what? The energy of incident photon is 2.3 electron volt. It is wrong. And third one, if higher frequency photon is used, the photoelectric current will rise. So here in the question asking only about incident photon, so this is also wrong. And the last one, when the energy of photon is 3.5 electron volt, the photoelectric current will be maximum. This is also wrong. So our answer is first option, the energy of incident photon is 4.7 electron volt. So energy of incident photon is 4.7 electron volt. So the second question is the stopping potential V naught versus frequency with plot of substance is shown in the figure. So from the graph we have to find the threshold wavelength. So from the graph we know that if the value of stopping potential V naught is zero, then the value of threshold frequency F naught is 5 into 10 to the power 14 Hertz. So this is V naught is stopping potential. V naught is stopping potential. And F naught is threshold frequency. So we know the relation between the threshold wavelength and threshold frequency. So here threshold wavelength lambda naught is equals to speed of light upon threshold frequency in C upon F naught. This is speed of light, and the value of speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and the value of threshold frequency is given from the graph 5 into 10 to the power 40 hertz. So by putting value lambda naught equals to C upon F naught. So we know the value of speed of light 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and the value of F naught is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. So from here the value of threshold wavelength will come 6 into 10 to the power, it will come near about 600 ohms. 600 ohms. So threshold wavelength is 600 ohms. From here it will go like 5 6, that's why 6000 ohms. So the second one is option B is correct. So as in the beginning I have told that if the value of V naught, this V naught is 0, if V naught is 0, here V naught is 0, then the value will be, the threshold frequency F naught is 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz, because this is the zero potential, zero stopping potential. So the value is here 5 into 10 to the power 14. So by putting the formula lambda naught equal to C upon F naught, so by putting this value we will get this answer. So option B is correct for this part. So our third question is also a graphical question. So third question is, which one of the following graph represents the variation of maximum kinetic energy of the emitted electron with frequency nu in photoelectric effect? So we know that photoelectric equation is equals to S nu equal to S nu naught plus kinetic energy. This is photoelectric equation. Means energy of incident photon S nu equals to work function plus kinetic energy. So we know that equation of straight line, equation of straight line, y equals to mx plus c. So here m is slope and c is intercept. So by comparing these two equations, so first of all I will write the photoelectric equation in this form. Kinetic energy equals to h nu minus work function. So from here the value of slope will be h and the value of intercept will be c equals to minus of work function. So in this graph, from here we can say that if the value of nu is equals to nu naught, this value if you will put in the photoelectric equation, then the kinetic energy will be zero. So from here, if we will compare these all four graphs, so in this all the four graphs, in option D this condition exists. If nu equal to nu naught, then kinetic energy is zero. Because if the value of incident photon is less than the work function, then the electron will never eject from the metal surface. So option D is correct. Option D is correct. Because value of incident photon is less than the work function, so electron will never eject. Electron will never eject from metal surface. So in the fourth option, D option, here if the value of nu is equals to nu naught, then the kinetic energy is zero. So option D is correct. So thank you.